Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and today we are making the crispiest, most addictive potato salad you'll ever make, and it disappears at every barbecue. Our crispy Chipotle Ranch Potato Salad is to die for, and it is so different. You've got to see how I made it. The very first step for this crispy Chipotle Ranch Potato Salad is we're going to put our tater tots on our cookie sheet, and I've got not quite a full bag. This is probably about a little bit over 3/4 of the way maybe. So these are going to go in the oven, 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. All right, in the oven we go. All right, now we're going to get started on the sauce. All right, so we are going to make the Chipotle Buttermilk Ranch dressing right now. But before we do that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. And also, I don't know if you can tell, but this is the start of some 4th of July fun stuff because we are coming up on the 250th. Woohoo! So we figure we've got our little splashes here and there because we want to celebrate. We're from America, so woohoo! All right, let's get started. So we've got some mayonnaise. Get all that yumminess in here while those, we got some sour cream. And then we've got buttermilk, which I never keep buttermilk in the house because I very, very rarely use it, but I always have milk in the house. And obviously, a tip, you just add a little bit of lemon juice to it, turns it into buttermilk. Piece of cake. Gotta love it. So, buttermilk. And then we have got some cilantro. Throw all that in there. Some garlic powder. A little bit of chives. And I chopped up a couple of chipotles in adobo sauce. This is what's going to give it that yumminess. Get a little tiny bit of salt in there. And I think we are all ready to get this all whipped up. Tots have been in for 20 minutes, so they are coming out for the next step because they'll be going back in too. All right, here we go. Now, got my trusty mug here. We're going to smash each of these. Now you want to smash them just enough. You don't want them to break apart, but we do want them smashed. So I'm just going to kind of start going. See, just a little bit like that. That's all we want. There we go. All right, our tots are all smashed. So this is going to go back in the oven for another 20 minutes. All right, it's time to put together our crispy Chipotle Ranch Potato Salad. So all of these yummy, yummy tater tots have been smashed and cooked, and they're all nice and crispy. So we're going to get these all thrown into our bowl. Look at that. Okay, we're going to add the remaining ingredients. So these are about 8 strips of bacon that we cooked up earlier and got them all chopped up. So we're going to throw those all in there. We've got some diced up jalapeños. Yummy. We got some corn. Throw all that in there. Got some red onion. And then we're going to throw a little bit of our chives in there. Not too much. And then here's that yummy dressing. Now we're going to kind of eyeball this. Going to add in a little, stir it all up, see how it looks. But we can obviously adjust accordingly. But let's get this all mixed up. Oh, this is going to be so good. Doesn't get any better for 4th of July than a yummy potato salad. Look at that. All right, let's get more of that. I can smell that chipotle. It smells so good. All right, our crispy Chipotle Ranch Potato Salad is all done. I'm going to go pull some burgers off of the grill to go along with it. All right, let's get these burgers pulled off the grill. I already got my pretzel buns all done. Oh, yum. All right. go have some dinner. I'm starved. All right, it's time to eat. Look at this amazing potato salad. It's so different than anything I have ever made before. And I love it. I absolutely love it. Now we got to try it. Oh, that is tasty. Oh, that is so tasty. I will definitely be making this again and again and again and again because it is really, really, really good. A little burger on the side. Come on. Doesn't get any better than that, does it? So there you go. Hope you guys enjoy your 4th. And thanks for joining me. I always enjoy hanging out with you. I'll see you next time, okay? Bye.